So this 95 FZJ full frame off restoration's almost done. We got a little bit left. Thought I would do a little walk around here since it's so close. Fully restored interior. I've got a little bit of stuff left here in the dash area. The tape's on it to keep us from scratching or scuffing things while we're still working on it. Engine's fully rebuilt using all OEM parts. Everything in the engine bay is pretty much new. Everything just purrs too. Relocated the winch control unit. Winch is on Switch Pro along with the lights and a few other accessories. There's some underhood lights. New hood insulator. It's a real beauty. Seats are cooled and heated. That is a Mosley motor leather cover kit. The owner of the vehicle wanted the tire in the back, so we built the carrier here in the back to hold the tire. It's got storage inside it. If I think it's locked right now, no worries. We got a panel going in the tailgate. It's getting coated right now. But yeah, the headliner was done in a headliner fabric, so it's not fuzzy anymore. It's actually a lot easier to clean. So that fuzzy stuff is just real hard to clean. And yeah, it's got a long range accessory and long range America. I think it's a 24 gallon sub tank. So see, she's all fresh underneath too. Just got this recently. It's brand new. Little carpet trim scuff plate there. Yeah.